In today's investigation, students will examine how the spin and the tilt of the Earth causes day and night and affects the seasons of the Earth. Students will need to observe a globe and find the places where the globe is attached. They should note that the geographic North Pole is located where the globe is attached near the top, and the geographic South Pole is located where the globe is attached near the bottom. They should imagine a line running through the Earth from North Pole to South Pole and understand that this is the axis of the Earth. Have the students spin the globe and notice that the Earth is turning on its axis. The student should find where she or he lives on the Earth and put a sticky note on the approximate location. Have someone shine a flashlight on the globe and make the globe turn around. Notice that the sticky note is in the daylight when the globe is facing the light, and it is in night when it is facing away from the light. Students should note that at the same time the Earth is spinning on its axis, the Moon is orbiting the Earth, and the Earth is orbiting the Sun. Parents should try to help the students demonstrate all these motions at the same time.